Hello there, Jasper. Grandma again with the story for today. With us today is Missy and Miss Honey Bear. The story that I'm going to read today is called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Mozzie. That wouldn't taste very nice. There was an old lady who swallowed a mozzie. There was an old lady who swallowed a mozzie. I don't know why she swallowed the mozzie. She's got to be Aussie. There was an old lady who swallowed an echidna. It was hard to get down, and no, I'm not kidding you. She swallowed the echidna to catch the mozzie. I don't know why she swallowed the mozzie. She's got to be Aussie. There was an old lady who swallowed a snake. I'd rather eat cake, but she swallowed a snake. She swallowed the snake to wrap the echidna. She swallowed the echidna to catch the mozzie. I don't know why she swallowed the mozzie. She's got to be Aussie. There was an old lady who swallowed a rosella. It was a beaut-looking fella, that fancy rosella. She swallowed the rosella to squawk at the snake. She swallowed the snake to wrap the echidna. She swallowed the echidna to catch the mozzie. I don't know why she swallowed the mozzie. She's got to be Aussie. There was an old lady who swallowed a dingo. Crikey by jingo, who'd swallow a dingo? She swallowed the dingo to chase the rosella. She swallowed the rosella to squawk at the snake. She swallowed the snake to wrap the echidna. She swallowed the echidna to catch the mozzie. I still don't know why she swallowed that mozzie. She's got to be Aussie. There was an old lady who swallowed a roo. It jumped on her tent, so she knew what to do. She swallowed the roo to wrestle the dingo. She swallowed the dingo to chase the rosella. She swallowed the rosella to squawk at the snake. She swallowed the snake to wrap the echidna. She swallowed the echidna to catch the mozzie. I don't know why she swallowed that mozzie. She's got to be Aussie. There was an old lady who swallowed a crock. It made her spew. What a shock! And that is the end. I hope you enjoyed the story today, Jasper. We miss you, we miss Mummy and Daddy, and we'll see you very, very soon.